Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to change out my exhaust, and before I do that, I'm just going to grab some exhaust clips of what it is. So I'm going to go over what's already here. It's nothing fancy. I think it's a no-name header right here. No-name header, just to like stock piping all the way underneath, and then pretty sure I'll confirm once I pull it. Only thing that isn't stock is muffler, but I'm gonna do some exhaust clips before this gets taken off. So let's see. Alright, I'm gonna start it up and then do a little rev. Alright, I'm going to do one last startup and one more last rev. I don't want it getting too hot because I'm going to take it off here in a second. So, well, in a little bit, but it's got to cool down afterwards. Alright, that's it. See you guys in a second. Alright, so it's the next day, and it got really late last night, but I ended up finishing it. I just didn't get to record a new exhaust clip. But let me explain what's going on. So, brand new exhaust gasket here, header. It's the Megan one that I showed you guys. Bolts. And then let me get underneath here. It's all been changed. So, see if I can get a cold start. New exhaust cold start. Alright, this is going to be the second one. On this one, we're going to start it and then rev it up to, I don't know, we're just going to rev it. So yeah, not a lot went on. Well, on camera anyways. A lot went on off camera. But yeah, that's the basically a random eBay header with OEM exhaust to a stillen muffler to a full Megan exhaust from header all the way to tailpipe. And I haven't seen or heard the differences yet, but I'm excited to. Hopefully you guys enjoyed.